Before we get to breaking stuff, a little science. The success of a 3D printed tool comes down to the material, design, and print settings. I used the toughest material I had, ABS. So for the axe and the shovel, ABS would work really well because they need to be strong, and ABS would also be really good for the sword's fine edge. But material is only half the battle. How you print is critical. I optimized all the settings for maximum strength, focusing on the best possible bond between the plastic layers, which is typically the weakest point. I also oriented the prints to align the layers with the forces they'd face. Alright, enough theory, let's get to breaking stuff. Okay, so for this first one, I'm gonna try cutting an apple with the sword. I have zero confidence in this thing actually breaking, but let's see if it happens. Oh no. That apple went rogue. Let's try it again. Oh. I kind of thought that was gonna happen. Well, I'm gonna try it again. I think I missed the apple. I mean, it kind of works. I just gotta. Down. Well, it half works. Okay, so I'm gonna start digging right here. And I don't have much confidence in this. And it's already starting to, crack. Yeah, I don't know. It's starting to crack on me. And it sounds like it's not gonna do it. But I'm getting close. There we go. Yeah, you guys see that, right? Like, I picked it up. But, does that count? Well, I think I can get a bit more. So I'm gonna try it again. Just gonna see if I can get some actual dirt. And so, really close to getting to the actual dirt. And there we go. Let me know in the comments if that's enough dirt and if that counts as a yes. But I'm gonna go for a bit more. Oh no. I think that's the end of the shovel. Well, there goes like 2 cents of filament. Okay, the moment you've been waiting for. Trying to chop the wood. I have no confidence in this board actually breaking, but let's see what happens. Yep, it's broken. I knew it was gonna happen. That thing was just way too thin. But it made a couple of dents. Like, you can see where it got dented from the axe. And so, let me know in the comments if you think that was what actually happened. Yeah. The handle doesn't do much either. I can't break it with the axe. The axe is too weak. I'd have to 3D print it out of metal in order to get it to work. And it's hot outside. I don't want to do it anymore. I'm done.